Good afternoon, students. Today we will continue the topic interrogative sentences. Last week we learned how to change the position of be verb in an affirmative sentence in order to make it interrogative. Today we will learn how to make the sentence interrogative if there is any have verb. First of all, we should recapitulate what are the have verbs. The have verbs are have, has and had. And as you know, we use have and has for present tense and had for past tense. Now we will learn one by one how to make the sentences interrogative if we find there is any one of these have verbs. So let us begin. Look at the sentences carefully. I have, he has, she had. First, let us recapitulate how we can make them in negative. I have will be I do not have, he has will be he does not have, she had will be she did not have. Now look at the three sentences carefully. In the first sentence, after the subject I, we have written do not have. In the second sentence, after the subject he, we have written does not have. And in the third sentence, after the subject she, we have written did not have. So students, you can notice in each sentence not and have are same, but only one word is different in each sentence. The different words are do, does and did. In first sentence there was have, so we used do. In second sentence there was has, so we used does. And in third sentence there was had, so we used did. So students, remember, for all of three have, has and had, in negative sentences we will use not have. But before these two words not have, we will use do for have, does for has and did for had. Clear, students? Now see how can we change them into interrogative. We will simply change the position of these do, does and did. We will bring them to the beginning of the sentences. Then we will omit not and then we will keep this word have. Clear? So for first one, only do will come to the beginning and not will be removed. Then it will be do I have. For the second one, does will come to the beginning and not will be removed. Then it is does he have. For the third one, did will follow the same process. It will come to the beginning, then not will be removed. Then it will become did she have. Clear? So to make the sentences interrogative, you have to just remember that if you find have, then add do. If you find has, then add does. If you find had, then add did there in the beginning of the sentences. Then write the full sentence whatever is given. But in place of has or had, write only have. Hope it is clear to you. But we will practice now with more examples. First example, I have a pet. So students, which have verb is here? Have, has or had? Here is have. So its negative form will be I do not have a pet. Here we will simply change the position of do and we will bring it to the beginning of the sentence. Then we will remove not and put question mark at the end. So it will become do I have a pet. Now have one more example. We have a red car. Here also we can see that have is present. So its negative form will be As you know, we do not have a red car. Here we will simply change the position of do, and not will be removed after that, and at the end question mark. So if we find have, students do remember, we will only add do in the beginning and question mark at the end in order to make the sentence interrogative. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. He has a garden. First, students identify which have verb is here. Have, has or had. Yes, has. Its negative form will be he does not have a garden. Here also we will change the position of does and bring to the beginning of the sentence. And for interrogative here, not will be removed as you know, and at last do not forget to put question mark. Then its interrogative form will be does he have a garden? Now let's have one more example. Gunja has a bicycle. Its negative form will be Gunja does not have a bicycle. Same process will be followed. We will change the position of does, then we will not write the word not, and then we will write the remaining part of the sentence, and at the end we will put the question mark. Students, never forget to put question mark for interrogative sentences. And remember this thing, if you find verb has, then to make the sentence interrogative, just add does in the beginning and change the verb has to have. Then write whatever sentence is given, and at last, as you know, put the question mark. Clear? Now let us come to the next one. She had a doll. Here first to check which have verb is here, dear. Here is had. So its negative form will be she did not have a doll. And as you have already understood, to make it interrogative, we will just change the position of yes, did, and omit not and add question mark at the end. Then it will become did she have a doll? Okay, now have the next example. Rohan had a bat. Its negative one will be what? Yes, no, Rohan did not have a bat. Now students, make it interrogative quickly. You have already understood the process. Yes, we have to change the position of did and place in the beginning. But students, do not forget to omit not for interrogative sentences and to put the question mark at the end. So students, for the verb had, just remember to add did in the beginning, and in place of had, just write have and then the rest of the sentence. At last, as you know, put the question mark. That's all. I hope you have understood it clearly, as this is a very easy process to make the affirmative sentence to negative and interrogative ones. You can watch the video again if you still have any doubt. Thank you all, my dear students.